Multimedia. Today we're going to be starting to do fractions and length. And let's get to it, everyone. Let's go! The objective. In today's lesson, we will learn on how to use, just imagine I put how to use fractions and length. Let's get to it. Of course, this is a diagram of how to measure fractions. So basically, this is one whole, this is a whole, and then this is one by two, which is basically a half. By three, which I think is a quarter, then 1 by 4, and then 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 9. There's more like that, but I'm just doing this because because it's as much space as I have. And one thing is that I kept all of the maximum. All of these are 1. 2 plus 2 by 2 is 1. 3 by 3 is 1. 4 by 4 is 1. 5 by 5 is 1. 6 by 6 is 1. 7 by 7 is 1. 8 by 8 is 1. And 9 by 9 is 1. So each one on this side is 8. And maximum. And how much is it in the end of it? And also, let's get some. And of course, if there's and also I'll show you. So guys, I'll show you. So you see there's one colored in, one colored in. I'll show you the first one. Basically, you know that you see 4 rectangles. So this is a 4 by 4 block. These are 4 by 4. It's a 1/4. But one thing, since there's 3 colored in, and then it shows, so it's actually, this gives you a clue that it is actually 1/3 of a fraction. Just kidding. Oh yes, it's 3/4 of a fraction. So it's basically 3/4 of a fraction because only 3 parts are colored in, and the maximum are 4 parts. The maximum number of what applies for the colors that are applied to these rectangles don't apply to the denominator because that's how many rectangles there are. Now after that, you have 3. I colored in 3, so it's 3 by 3/4 or 3 by 4 sometimes. And now since I showed you, one thing remember, on the top is the numerator. First thing, of course, maximum, these are 3 of them. So you got here, this is 3. 3 sections are colored in. After that, the thing is that all of these are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're 4 triangles. So make sure, pause the video right now and do this other block. And one thing, I'll give you one hint. Well, this is an 8 by 8 block, or this is an 8 row. All these are for 8s. No, wait, and guys, just to make it more, so basically I'll just show you. So it's 1 by 4 here, and then there's 2 by 4 here, then 3 by 4, and then of course here is 4 by 4. But at 3 by 4, that's the end of the of the colored rectangle. So I hope you understand this, and also, if you're watching this, so make sure to pause the video right now and do this 8 by 8 block, or 8 by 8 whole rectangle. I don't know what to say that. But pause the video right now and do this, and when you're done, I'll show you if you're correct or not. And pause it right now. Okay, so you finally resumed the video. Okay, let's do this. Well, since it's red, I'm gonna just change it to red. So one thing is that you can see it. So if we want to know, so since I told you there are 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in order to find it out, let's do this. So 1, 1 1/8. And then this one is 2/8. This one is 3/8. This one's 4/8. This one's 5/8. And this one's 6/8. And this one is 7/8. And this one is 8/8. So this is basically and you see 5/8. So basically the answer is 5/8. And it's basically 5/8 here. So let me write down. It's 5/8. So there are basically 8 squares here, but there were only 5 colored in, so it was basically 5 by 8, and it was in the 5th square. And now, if you did this correctly, congratulations to you. Those who didn't do this correctly, if you made a mistake, it's okay. You're also great too. If you keep making mistakes, you will never get anything wrong again. And if you keep this up and if you keep improving, you will be better than you are now. And remember, it's not how you, and one thing to tell you is that it's not who you are today. It's what you are and will be in the future. So prepare for your future and do well and study. And one thing is that before I leave, I would just want to say, make sure to like this video by giving a thumbs up. And after that, share this video with your friends. And after that, we subscribe. And how to subscribe? You see that red button below the video. It says it's a red button and it says subscribe. And click it and click the subscribe button and make it turn gray and make it show subscribed. And after that, it'll show another, like a bell on the right side. And so click the bell, or as I say, ring the bell. And then you have like 3 options, like get notifications, like get notifications occasionally, or notify always. So click notify always, so that will help you or let you know when we post our new videos. And make sure to check out our 4th grade playlist. And so I hope you enjoy, and peace out, and bye, and thank you for watching.